You're watching Ph.D TV. Knowledge is power.
Yusuf is wondering, is participating in cancer clinical trials a good idea?
It depends on the trial. It really depends on the trial. You want to be on an open label trial where you know what you're getting. You don't want to be in the placebo arm. That's because then you're not getting the drug. So open label, you want to be in a later stage clinical trial preferably, but it doesn't mean there hasn't been great results from early phase 1 and phase 2 trials. They can be quite significant too. Definitely, and you want to make sure, the biggest concern is you want to make sure that you have the molecular feature that the trial drug is targeting. Otherwise, it's kind of a waste of time.
Yeah. So another way of saying that for all of you folks at home who don't live, eat, sleep, and breathe cancer like Alex, is you'd want to make sure that the study was testing to make sure that the genes that were driving your cancer were the genes that this treatment is targeting. It sounds so obvious, and yet more often than not that isn't done because genetic testing is fairly new, and even researchers are still just kind of catching up with what genetic testing can do. Okay, so you'd want to make sure they were testing to make sure you had those genes. You'd want to make sure that it was open label so you knew for a fact you were getting the drug and not the placebo.
Yes.
And ideally, it's second or third round of a trial, so it's not completely experimental.
Right.
Okay, yeah, good question, Yusuf. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Ph.D TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.